What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to customize your front store, your shop page, the page to list your products that WooCommerce create for you as soon as you install WooCommerce free eCommerce WordPress plugin on your site. Okay, this is the normally front store. It used to have some columns, the products, the price, not very much, but can be a quite tired design. It can be customized, but WooCommerce make it difficult, so there is some options for us, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, review the WordPress left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard. Once right here, hover a mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add New Plugin. To access WordPress dashboard, you need to enter with your domain plus WP admin or WP login, okay? Review the upper right corner of your screen. Into search plugins, click and type Grid List View for WooCommerce, and here is the guide we are looking for by Rocket. Click on Install now. Then click into the Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And if you review the WordPress left sidebar of menus once again, next to WooCommerce and products, you're gonna be able to find a new menu called Rocket. Hover a mouse over it and click on Grid List View. Right here, you're gonna be able to start customizing your shop, and you're gonna be able to fully customize your shop. First thing are the buttons. We have the default style or the list style. Same for mobile. We have the default style or the list style. We can set the grid to work into some page in the case that we want, for example, WooCommerce shop, site home. Fixed style for page, mobile and desktop, up to you, and you can even add other pages. Max mobile width, so into this screen widget, you're gonna close for mobile view. Custom class, you can enter with a CSS custom class. Button display, above, order by menu, under, above pagination, up to you and to your needs. Button position, left or right, up to you. Under button, above button, padding. You can choose the buttons in the case that you want. We have some default presets, button size. We have some default options for button layout and the colors, the button style. As you can see, we have a lot of options to customize our shop. Background, border, save change. Let's review our shop. As we can see, we have now a list view for our shop. We have the buttons. We can change the product count. Products per page, we can change it, for example, for 8. Product count value, separator, text before or after, above order menu, display options, before or after, and product count position. Save change. We can even enter custom CSS. We can use the font awesome to call some icons, JavaScript, and everything you may need to customize your shop in an easier way. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.